Ultra Pouches review, scam, or legit. So these new Ultra Pouches, almost kind of new, you've probably seen them all over social media. They're nicotine-free pouches you tuck under your lip for some sort of energy boost and focus, just a bit of that. In real use, people do feel something, not all of them, especially for light tasks like studying or workouts, but it's not that overwhelming. More like a small lift in alertness that kicks in fairly quickly. The convenience is probably one of the biggest part of the appeal. No coffee, no prep, just pretty much one pack and then you take it. At the same time, they're not as powerful as the hype might make them seem. The effects don't last super long as well, and since the exact ingredient amounts aren't always clearly shared, it's hard to know how strong they really are compared to other options. If you are expecting a major performance boost, you will most likely end up a bit underwhelmed and disappointed in a way. But if you're looking for something light and easy to the point where there's maybe even nothing, you'll probably see where it fits. So that pretty much kind of answers the question. It's a scam or legit depending on your preference, and at this point, it probably is not that great. But you could always learn more over here in the website that hides the comments and stuff. But hopefully the information of this video can help you in a way, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.